Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you're all doing well. I'm just on my holidays at the moment, so I haven't done any videos lately, but I thought I will do a very short video just about this walk that I'm doing today. So just to keep it short, I am out near the coast doing this amazing walk that's along the white sandy beaches. So it's through the forest. So I know I love nature, and this is just my cup of tea. So at the same time, there's some fears I need to face, and I'll do a video on that one about snakes and lizards. So I am usually with somebody, but today I'm daring myself to get out here in the bush and face my fears. But that aside, it's an amazing walk. It's not a very sunny day today, but I'm learning to roll with the weather and make the most of whatever the weather brings. So I hope you can hear me. It's quite windy. I'm at a lookout at the moment, and it's this really, really, really cool place, secluded, and all you see is just ocean views. Okay, ocean views and beaches. And there's no one around, and just nice forest at the background, and just you can hear the waves, just pure ocean, just the way I like it. So I will do just random videos along my walks and put a video together of this walk. And the reason I also wanted to get this video up on my channel is regarding mental health. So as you know, videos on my channel are about my personal experiences and what's helping me to cope best with my mental health, particularly because I am myself going through pretty hardcore, pretty tough stresses, and I have learned, and I'm still learning how to best deal with these stresses. So I am sharing, as I do with all my videos, techniques, practical tips, suggestions, anything that's helping me, also proved by scientific studies and ancient wisdom. Basically sharing what works for me, and hopefully it's something that can work for you as well. And I'm also open to hearing what works for you, in coping best with your mental health, with your stresses, because we're all human beings, and something that might work might also help somebody else. Now, not everything works for everybody, but that's okay. You take away what you feel is best for you. As I always say, you are your best guru. You know yourself best. But you know what? Try things, experiment, see what makes you the most happiest. The mind limits us. The mind limits us. So it's about just being more open-minded and trying different things in life, and see what you enjoy, and what you like, you don't like. It's about discovering yourself as well, which is, a big part of what my journey's been about. So back to mental health. So for me, one of the best things that helps me for mental health is walks like this. It just makes me happier than anything. Okay, so I love being in the nature. So being in the nature, I love being active and fit. So this is being in the nature. At the same time, I'm bushwalking, I'm exercising, I'm walking, and it gets the heart rate pumping. It just feels good all around. So the reason I'm sharing this also is, as humans, nature is really good for us. Nature is important to us, and we're part of nature. And it's something that we've lost connection with, especially with living a modern lifestyle. So I think it's quite important to go back to nature and be connected and feel that peace. And there's lots and lots of scientific studies to say how good it is for us. So it's not just my experience, it is a proven fact. So I've got my nature, and I love ocean. So I'm next to the ocean as well, and it's that itself is a great therapy, and I'll talk more about it in my other videos. So I've got big ocean and the beaches is also very healing for us, and also there are a lot of scientific studies on that as well. So all in one is just a perfect for me for my mental and emotional health, because I'm with nature. I am by myself. I am, reflecting on things. I am being present. There's beautiful sounds of nature, of the ocean. There's a lot of birds around in the forest as well. I am, I love trees, and trees are good for us. I'm being present with the trees as well, and there's something quite special about that as well. So, without making this video very long, if you are struggling with stresses and mental health, please, please be in the nature. Try going back to nature. Spend some time in nature. Go for walks. Being active and exercising is really good for mental health. And there are studies to say it is as good as taking a mild antidepressant. So there's a lot of clients of mine that go through anxiety, depression, stressed out, and there are definitely these things that are bare basics that really help um, with that as well. So please, if you are finding it quite hard, try to find the best place you can go to, where you can be connected with nature, where it's not busy, where it's quiet, where it's peaceful. And if you can go next to the ocean, that's great. Again, some of us are more, it's more impactful for us, more joyful us to be next to the ocean. So whatever it may be for you, it might be, something else about the nature that you like connecting to. Maybe hiking up a mountain. Maybe mountain is your thing. But you only find out if something's your thing by trying out. So please get out of the house, get out and about, and you'll be really surprised at how much better you feel. So, I can keep going on and on about nature and being active and all that, but again, I don't want to make it too long of a video. I'll share some, good scenery with you as well. On that note, you guys have a good day, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.
Baba.